script to check string is palindrome or not. For that we will take input from the user. So let's start with writing the code. Let's name the variable as some string and let's take the input. So input function and then enter some word, some sentence. Okay, so this is our message. Now let's print this variable first and then we will check for palindrome. Let's run it. Check palindrome and enter some sentence is printed. So I am writing ABC. Yeah, so it's printed. The whatever we input we have typed, it is printed in our console. So let's now check for if string is a palindrome or not. Cut it, and if some string is equals to if some string is equals to some string, and this is the specialty of Python, that we have not to write the code, just we can use in -1. It means from ending you will print the string and it will match both the string. So print if they are equal, then string is palindrome, else print string is not palindrome. Yeah, so first let me comment this out and show you the output of this thing which I have highlighted. So I will print this, print some string, and it will print the reverse of a string. Okay, and I will also print yeah, that's it. Let's run it. Let's debug the Python file. Yeah, enter some sentence. So I am writing my name is Shubham Lashkan. So it is printing the reverse of a string, and if the reverse of a string is equals to the original of a string, then we will say the string is palindrome, else the string will not be palindrome. So let me uncomment this part of the code and comment the part which is not necessary for us, or erase it, so that we can finally check our code. So let's start debugging with Python file. So it's asking me for entering some sentence. So I will write why I'm writing there, I should write it here, my name. So my name, its reverse is not equals to my name, so it will say string is not palindrome. Yeah, string is not palindrome. Now I will give a input a string which is palindrome. So I will again start debugging a Python file, and now I will write DOOD. Now DOD and DOD both are same if written from starting and if written from end, so they both are same. So we can say that Python our string is palindrome. Yeah, because you will if you read this word, it will be DOD from both the side, and both the words are equal. That's why string is palindrome. We can also check for a sentence also. So let me run it once more. Python file. So I am writing why I am writing there again, DOOD, and let's press enter. So it say that string is palindrome. So this is a Python script to check if a string is a palindrome or not. Palindrome means if the reverse of a string is equals to the original string, then we can say that the string is palindrome. let's do one more thing. Let's check for some number also. One to one. So yeah, 1 to 1 is equals to the reverse of it, which is also 1 to 1. So we can say it is also a palindrome. So this is a Python script to check string is a palindrome or not. That's it in this video. We will write some more script in the next video.